So hello future engineers, welcome back to Cutoff 360. So finally the GUG CET predicted question paper is out and available for you guys. So make sure to watch the video till the end on how you can get access to this paper and how you can solve it to get maximum marks in the exam. So make sure to watch the video till the end as we are going to give you a very benefiting question paper that will perfectly help you to enhance your preparation. So as you can see on the screen, this is the GUJ CET 2026 predicted question paper, and the question paper has been prepared based on the past year trends. That too, from 20, we have analyzed 2026 to 2025 question paper, and उसके basis पे हमने detailed 120 minutes and 120 marks का हमने question paper create किया है, जहाँ पे every student will have to solve all the question and understand where they are going wrong, and based on that they can enhance that particular topic. So there will be a process to avail this question paper, predicted question paper. Stay tuned till the end. I'll tell you like how you can get access to the question paper, and this is a usable question paper, which means आप हर एक क्वेश्चन को क्लिक करके आंसर कर सकते हो. यू कैन देयर इज अ सॉल्यूशन फॉर ईच क्वेश्चन सो दैट यू कैन नो कि वाई दिस आंसर वेंट रॉन्ग एंड वेयर यू वेंट रॉन्ग. सो मेक श्योर टू स्टिक till the end of this video to understand the pattern of getting the question paper and how you need to utilize this predicted question paper for the exam day. So first let's understand how this question paper works out. So as you can see on the screen, यहाँ पे question paper 3 parts में divided है, which is physics, chemistry and mathematics. So each section has 40 questions with a question and options and a solution. So let's look at physics. So यहाँ पे जैसे आप देख रहे हो, यहाँ पे हमने टॉपिक भी हाईलाइट रखा है कि दिस इज द क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम काइनेमेटिक्स वेयर ए पार्टिकल मूव इन अ स्ट्रेट लाइन विथ यूनिफॉर्म एक्सेलरेशन. इफ इट्स वेलोसिटी चेंजेस फ्रॉम 10 meter second to 30 meter second in 5 seconds, the acceleration is, then you have to check the answer, and the correct answer will be B. Then in the same way, there is a body of mass 2 kg is projected vertically upwards with a velocity of 2 meter second, the maximum height reached. So this is the question that is again from kinematics, and the answer will be B. So why kinematics? 2 questions, 3 questions has been repeated. So basically we have prepared it in a very catered way. मतलब यहाँ पे जितने भी क्वेश्चंस है वो हमने प्रीवियस ट्रेंड्स को एनालाइज किया है, हर एक क्वेश्चन को देखा है कि कौन से पर्टिकुलर टॉपिक से कितने क्वेश्चंस रिपीट हुए हैं, एंड हमने इंस्टेड ऑफ सफलिंग, मतलब हमने मल्टीपल क्वेश्चंस को हर एक जगह सफल नहीं किया. इंस्टेड वी हैव क्रिएटेड इन अ वेरी सिस्टमैटिकल ऑर्डर, जहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो कि 3 क्वेश्चंस कैनेमेटिक्स के आपको भी यहाँ पे दिखेंगे. देन इफ यू गो डाउन, then you can see laws of motion पे है कि Newton's second law of motion in terms of linear momentum state that force equals. So what will be the answer? You have to answer it. Then more, if you scroll down, then a block of mass 5 kg is placed on a rough surface. So this is the again question from law of motion. Again there is a question. So in the previous year there is a high probability that the question might have repeated 3 to 4 times. So that is the reason why at least minimum of 3 questions we have repeated, and these are the questions type that are generally asked in the question paper. So make sure you are thorough with these kind of questions for the exam day. Next, if you scroll down, you can see work energy power से questions है, 1 2 work energy power से questions है, and if you more like if you go down more, 3 work and energy से भी हमने add कर रखा है. Then from rotational motion there is 2 questions from rotational motion where a wheel infinity at rest has an angular acceleration of 2. Then the angular velocity after 4 seconds is, what is the angular velocity, you have to find it out. So this way we have created in a very detailed way where you can click on every like for example, if you're clicking on wrong question, automatically you will come to know that this is the right answer. Also there's a like we have added question after every like answer after every question. So if you want us to remove this and provide you a separate link where answers are not displayed and it is displayed in the last, like how it is displayed over here, if you want it this way, then you can tell me that also. We have a separate link for that as well, where we will be providing you link, and you can start practicing the question paper before the exam day. And the exam is scheduled to be conducted on 29 March, so you have to be prepared accordingly. And again, if we go down to chemistry, in chemistry you can see that there are multiple questions from basic concept, solid state, solution. Then next, as you can see, there are questions from solutions पे question है. Then there are 3 then 3 questions from solutions. So we have very specifically, मतलब हमने हर एक टॉपिक को, हर एक क्वेश्चंस को बहुत स्पेसिफिकली एनालाइज किया, एंड बेस्ड ऑन दैट वी हैव क्रिएटेड दिस क्वेश्चन पेपर. सो if you are practicing, if you are appearing for GUG CET, then make sure to avail this question paper. Stay tuned till the end. I'll explain it to you how you can get access to this question paper, what you need to do. There is no big activity like giving out your number or anything like that. बहुत simple step है जहाँ पे आप जिस वे में आप क्वेश्चन पेपर को अवेल कर सकते. तो मेक श्योर टू स्टे टिल द एंड. आई विल एक्सप्लेन द होल प्रोसेस ऑफ गेटिंग दिस क्वेश्चन पेपर एट द एंड ऑफ दिस वीडियो. Next, as you can see, electrochemistry, so there is one question. Then chemical kinetics for a first order reaction, the half life is, you have to answer this. So make sure in the comment box you can comment down whether if you want me to remove this particular, because it is a coded version, so we need to remove it. So if you want me to remove this answer so that you can practice and give a real time mock test, so you can comment down the same in the comment box, and based on that we'll be taking the action and removing this answer, so that whenever if you are solving this question paper, you can solve the question paper, and based on that there is a separate, as you can see on the screen on the top, there is a separate answer key, so you can use this and check the correct answer that you have marked in the question paper. Then as you can see on the screen, there are question from mathematics, differential equation, determinants, then matrices. So all the whatever major topics, if you are looking to score more than 70, 80, 90 marks in GUG CET or 100 marks, then make sure to check this question paper out, so that you are more confident in the exam day, as we have prepared this question paper very specifically, and I'll be explaining you how you can avail this question paper. So now that you are aware of everything on how the question paper looks, how you can solve it, how you can use it to understand the pattern, type of questions, total topics and everything. So now the question comes down to ये question paper कैसे मिलेगा. So there is no big deal in that. You need to follow 3 steps. First, subscribe the channel. Second, like the video. Third, I'm adding a Google form in the comment section. You need to, in the description also, you can click on the link. It will redirect you to the Google form. Google form में कुछ नहीं करना है, just you need to add your name and the email ID. email ID आप जैसे इंटर करोगे, उसी email ID पे आपको ये क्वेश्चन पेपर का लिंक जाएगा. You can click on the question paper link and आप अपना mock test देना स्टार्ट कर सकते हो. So I'm repeating it again. There are 3 steps involved. First is subscribing the channel. Then second is liking the video. Third is फिलिंग द क्वेश्चन गूगल फॉर्म, जहाँ पे आपको अपना नाम और ईमेल आईडी देना है और कुछ भी प्रोवाइड अपना पर्सनल डिटेल्स नहीं करना है. एंड बेस्ड ऑन दैट आवर टीम विल वेरीफाई कि आपने जो भी गूगल फॉर्म में नेम है वो नेम मैच करता है या नहीं आपके सब्सक्राइबर लिस्ट से एंड लाइक से, एंड बेस्ड ऑन दैट ओनली विल बी प्रोवाइडिंग यू द क्वेश्चन पेपर लिंक. डू इट ASAP so that we can send you the link as soon as possible.